Hi folks, just come back from the court situation with regards in the accident in December, and the solicitor, there was a contentious point there. Well, first of all, it's been delayed again because he's asked the prosecutor for the evidence, the video evidence of CCTV, and they promised twice to send it and they haven't. So therefore, he said, well, they showed him the video today, but I've not seen it, so therefore it's delayed. And only until the 3rd of September. So, not too long, so that's a bit of an issue. I'm a bit annoyed by that. It should be longer, but there you go. Well, just in case, because he's got health issues. So therefore, it's quite possible we can't meet before that day. And, Anyway, I was talking to him, and he said that charge 1, talking about the fact that you're supposed to maintain your vehicle, and because I didn't maintain my vehicle that this happened. And that's basically charge 1, because it says you're supposed to maintain your vehicle, and they would argue that I didn't, because obviously if the insulation in the driver's door wasn't sorted and there was ice inside the car, then I wasn't maintaining the car. And he said, well, I said, okay. So if the law says that, then obviously everyone in the court should be banned. Because do they do that before they drive? He said, well, actually, no one does it really. I said, but therefore they can't use that. If no one does it until there's an accident, and then they say, oh, we're going to basically ban you because of that. Excuse me, you want to take points off me or fine me or ban me because of that? Because of the thing that you don't do? You're saying because I didn't do it, but you don't do it yourself. Yeah, excuse me, no. And I said to my solicitor, no, there's no way, shape or form. He said, yeah, but that's what the law says. But if that's what the law bloody says, it applies to everyone. Well, I'm going to have a meeting with him, and if he doesn't agree that, yes, that should apply to everyone, that nobody should drive their car unless they've fully maintained it, and if they try to use that, then he's going to pull that back on them and show them as being hypocrites. And say, excuse me, how can you be hypocrites in this situation? You don't do that, yet you're saying that my client should have done so. Which really, the person who's the judge probably drove in, and did he do that? Did he make sure his car was absolutely perfect before he drove? No. So therefore, okay. Well, he said basically, if your tyre goes boom, then it's your fault. How? There could be something on the road that made it go boom. How is your fault? Because you have to look after your car and make it perfect and make sure that nothing can happen. How? No one does it. You can't do that at all. There's no way, shape or form that you can do that. You could go to a garage and make them test everything. But as soon as they stop and you start the engine, something could happen straight away. Of course it can. So therefore, what are you going to do? Test it again? And as soon as you start the engine, something could happen? That's the bloody point. That's why we've got insurance. That's the bloody reason we've got insurance. Because things happen. Right? But the law... As I said, basically the law is against poor people. Because rich people have new cars. They're absolutely perfect. Right? And if something happens, they've got a big lawyer that will deal with it straight away. So therefore, you're not guilty because the big lawyer will make sure the other side says, okay, don't worry. But with us, with the smaller people, we're knackered. Aren't we really? Well, if you look at the world and the world's way, we're completely knackered. Aren't you? Well, at one point, there was an interpreter in there for someone else, and they made the person swear to God. Well, okay, if that person doesn't believe in God, why are you telling that person to swear to God? To tell the truth. If they don't believe in God, they can lie and it doesn't matter. It doesn't mean they won't lie. Ah, stupid, isn't it, really? They should say first, do you believe in God? If they say no, then okay. Will you say the truth? Yes? Okay, that's good enough. It's silly. The law is absolutely stupid. Because, as I say, basically, if it's saying that you can't drive the car if something could happen, then no one, well, most people can't drive, can they? The law says they can't drive. Right? Absolutely stupid. Because basically they know it was a freak issue. So therefore, yeah, they know they can't do anything about it or basically get me from that. They know the only way they can get me is the car wasn't good and there was ice inside the car because, yeah. But as I say, basically the lawyer should be better. The lawyer should know exactly how to deal with that. When they say that, he should know exactly how to deal with that. If he doesn't know, then maybe I have to sack him. Don't know. I don't know. Oh, I need to talk to the father about this. And just trust him. Because again, I don't know. As I say, maybe he wants me to be banned from driving. Maybe he wants that to happen. Because maybe it's a time now to have a wife. Maybe she can drive. And maybe, I don't need a car. Because if I have a wife and she can drive, then I don't know exactly what God wants. So therefore, okay, whatever happens will happen. I've said already, you can't fine me because, I'll tell the solicitor, no, there would be no fines at all. You have to tell them no fines. Because my insurance is higher and higher because of that situation. So therefore, no, I'm paying more already. I can't pay more than that because I've got no money. So therefore, no chance at all. Even £5 each month, I can't pay that. I don't have money. Right now, I've got, I think, £46. I've got the overdraft with £300 overdraft, and already there's only £46 left in that. So right now I owe the bank £254 already, and I'm not getting money again until next week. So I need to get food and other stuff in this week. So therefore, okay, how can I pay even £5 each month? I can't. So again, I have to trust God and what he wants. Well, I say, if I'm banned, then okay, what I need to do is sort out the car, paint it properly so it's good, and then sell it. And use the money to do something else. So there, it is what it is. Yeah. What to do? Don't know until I know exactly what's going to happen and what will happen. And then, yeah, when I know, then again, go to the Father and ask him what to do now. Because, again, can I decide exactly what I need to do? No. Because I can't see the big picture. He can, but I can't. So there you go. Like I said, the law is a bit of an arse. Yeah. That's the point. For people that are not rich or powerful, yeah, the law is really against you. So, yeah. It is what it is. You take care. God bless. I'll speak to you soon. Be a blessing. Be blessed. And have a good week. Enjoy. Hopefully it's something like this. Speak to you later. Bye-bye.